Okay, now we go to the last method, which we call as the integrative method. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, integrative method here is done together with the factor rating technique. So we have covered tangible factors and also intangible factors. Okay, if the company use tangible factor alone to decide the best location, then the best location is Klang. Okay, kalau company menggunakan hanya tangible factor ataupun cost factor to make a location decision, then Klang is the best location. So what if the company use intangible factors? Kalau company hanya menggunakan intangible factors in terms of rating, location mana yang terbaik? Jawapannya adalah Port Dickson. So we have to perform the calculation just now, Port Dickson. Okay. So now integrative method here comes from both. Okay, tangible factors and also intangible factors. So that's why I say this integrative method is done together with the factor rating method. So what is meant by integrative method is a combination of both factors. Integrate maksudnya we combine both the tangible and intangible factors. So by using tangible factor alone, location A might be the best location, and by using intangible factors alone, then location D is the best location might be. So what happened, or what if we combine both factors? What will be the best location? So that is meant by integrative method. So to do this, we need to combine both factors. Okay. Okay. So how to perform the integrative method? So because of integrative method is a combination of tangible and intangible factors, so your calculation must show these two factors. Okay, so the factors that we are going to use are tangible and intangible. And what we have over here is the weight. Weight for these two factors. Okay, to understand weight for these two factors here means between these two factors, which one is more important? Okay, so it has been decided and fixed. It has been fixed, that tangible factors has a weight of 2 and the intangible factor has a weight of 1. Why? Because of between these two, tangible is more important factors. Kenapa? Sebab tangible is the cost factors. Cost is more important than the ratings. Okay, so that's why tangible is given a weight of 2, intangible a weight of 1. So this has been fixed. So don't ask me, can you change or not? It cannot be changed, it has been fixed. Okay, so this is how you write. Okay, weight for tangible and intangible factor, they are automatically written as 2 and 1. Okay, next, to do further calculation, okay, what you need to have with you is the merit. Okay, remember, we performed the calculation for tangible and intangible factors. We calculated the total cost for tangible, total score for intangible, and right after that, we assigned the rank and also merit for these two calculations, right? Now, focus on the merit only. Okay, merit for tangible factors, the one that we calculated for the first question just now. You just copy that merit and paste over here. Okay, so the merit that we have assigned for JB, TAPA, Kelang, and PD for the tangible factors just now, it was 1, 3, 4, and 2. So you just copy and paste. Ambil daripada merit tangible factor tadi, 1, 3, 4, 2, according to these locations. And you do the same thing for the intangible factors. Just now, we have calculated the total score, we assign the rank and also merit. You copy that merit from intangible factors calculation and paste over here. So, merit for JB is 3, 2 for TAPA, 1 for Kelang, and 4 for BD. Copy, paste the merit. So, you have to make sure that your merit okay, once you have copy and paste the merit for tangible and intangible factors. Then you just calculate the weighted score. Okay, weighted score is where you use this column, the weights, and multiply with the merit for every location for its own factor. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and so on. So you complete all the calculations. Okay, and once you have finished calculating the weighted score for all the locations, next is for you to calculate or to total up the score. Okay, so these are the total score for all these 4 locations. Then from here we find which one is the best score. Okay, so we are using the score over here, so the highest is the best. So 9 is the best total score. So for this one, we assign the rank. This should be given rank of 1. These 2 locations have the same total score, so you should be, and you must be fair. You have to assign the same rank to these 2 locations. So rank number 2 for Tapa and rank number 2 for Port Dickson as well. Okay, so when 2 locations have the same rank, so the next rank must be skipped. So there is no rank number 3. 2 location mempunyai rank yang sama, so rank selepas tu you kena skip lah, you kena lompat. Okay, so JB has the lowest score, should be given the last rank, that is rank number 4. Then from here, make a decision. Okay, don't forget the decision. Okay, the decision is we focus on rank number 1. So Klang is the best location. Why? Because it has the highest total score. Okay, Klang is the best because it has the highest total score. Please come up with a proper sentence, not a short form like this. Okay, so with that, that marks the end of chapter 5, that is location decision. So that's all for the calculation. It is quite easy actually. Okay, so if you have any question, so please ask during the tutorial later. So try to understand first. Okay, so that's all. Have fun everyone. Okay, I'll see you all, not see ya. Okay, we'll meet during the tutorial later. Okay, all the best. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.